Ever wondered why some individuals or brands are the go-to experts in their field? Welcome, seekers of wisdom and knowledge, as today we delve into the art of authority marketing. This powerful strategy is not just about selling, but about building trust, credibility, and offering immense value to your audience. First off, let's clarify the path to mastering this art. Step 1 is defining your niche and expertise. This requires a deep understanding of your field and identifying what unique perspective or insights you can offer. Step 2 is all about content creation and thought leadership. This is where you craft high-quality, insightful content that provides solutions, shares insights, and consistently showcases your expertise. Next up, Step 3 is building your platform. Whether it's through social media, websites, or guest appearances, expanding your platform helps amplify your voice and allows you to engage authentically with your audience. Step 4 encourages you to embrace public speaking and networking. By attending speaking engagements, webinars, or conferences, you can further showcase your expertise. Networking actively, collaborating, and sharing knowledge within your industry can also help boost your authority. Finally, Step 5 emphasizes the importance of consistency. Consistency in content, interactions, and reliability not only reinforces your authority, but also fosters trust. So, there you have it, the art of mastering authority marketing broken down into 5 manageable steps. Remember, authority marketing is about creating value, trust, and credibility. Stay true to your message and delivery, and soon enough, you'll see your authority soar in your niche. If you found this enlightening, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with your fellow knowledge seekers. Have questions or want to share your journey? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey. Keep learning, keep engaging, and watch your authority soar in your niche.